Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, welcome to your computer class. Today we do question answer of chapter 1. The topic is Introduction to Computer. Students, first of all, you ready your page according this pattern. Draw a margin line. Mention day here. The day is Wednesday. Mention date here. The date is 7th April 2021. Write your name here. Chapter 1. The topic is Introduction to Computer. Underline the topic. Answer the questions. Question number 1 is, what is computer? Answer, computer is an electronic machine. It can work very fast. Question number 2 is, write features of computer. Features of computer are speed, number 1 speed, number 2 accuracy, number 3 multifunctional. Question number 3 is, write types of computer. Types of computer are, number 1 desktop computer, number 2 laptop computer, number 3 tablet computer, number 4 smartphone. Now students, you write these questions on your notebook neatly and cleanly. Okay.